Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Warren Buffett is arguably the greatest investor of all time. He's a classic value investor and he has a net worth of over $105 billion. And very surprising recently, Warren Buffett has donated half his wealth to the Bill Gates Foundation. So in this video, I'm going to dive into the top 3 stocks which Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway has been buying. Now it's probably Warren Buffett or a member of his team who've been buying the fantastic stocks which I'm going to discuss in this video. So before we hop right in, guys, if you do like these investing tips and exclusive stock market picks and you haven't joined the investing family yet, then feel free by hitting that subscribe button, turning that notification bell on, and if you do find any value at all in this video, feel free to give it an early thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. And remember, guys, if you do want to learn how to become a better investor and ultimately become financially free, then check out that first link in the description below for the Ultimate Investing Strategy course, of which I've studied Warren Buffett's investing style and many of the legendary hedge fund managers and combine that with my own personal experience to create this Ultimate Investing Strategy course. But with that being said, let's dive in. So kicking things off, stock number 1, which Warren Buffett has been buying, and that is Verizon Communications, ticker symbol VZ. Warren Buffett has paid an average price of $56 per share as part of Berkshire Hathaway, and the stock since then is down around 0.05%, so it's very close to the price that Warren Buffett has been paying for Verizon stock. Now, for those that don't know, Verizon is an American multinational telecoms communications company. Hopping into the share price, we can see over the past year, the stock's been extremely volatile. So $54 in June 2020, it went up by 13%, and then it's now corrected down. It's now corrected down by 8%. So this is why we're seeing it could be a good value play still for Verizon stock. Market cap $233 billion. Dividend yield 4.45%, so this is an extremely good dividend play if you do want some dividend exposure from a stable telecoms conglomerate in your portfolio. So Verizon is now Berkshire Hathaway's 6th largest position with a 3.4% portfolio weighting. So that is really exceptional because Berkshire Hathaway is this major conglomerate. It has many different businesses. For a business to become number 6, that means it must be an exceptional business. Hopping into the numbers right here, and this is what's special about Verizon. They're bringing in tons and tons of revenue. So revenue 2020, $128 billion, so exceptional revenue. It's not really growing very fast, around 3% growth at the moment. Balance sheet's okay, not incredible. Really, it's all about that dividend, that high dividend you're getting. The return on capital is strong, 9.3%. And also the valuation is looking incredible. So P ratio of 10. You're only paying 10 times the company's profits. Price to sales 1.79. Stock rank, this is on Stockopedia, that's 81. 25% discount link for Stockopedia in the description below if you do like this platform. But here's what's special about Verizon right now. So according to this discounting cash flow model, the stock is, wait for it guys, 62% undervalued. Now we know Warren Buffett likes to invest with a margin of safety, at least 25% below a stock's fair value. This stock right now is 62% below its fair value, so it's definitely looking like a buy if you do want some stability in your portfolio. Okay, stock number 2, which Warren Buffett has been buying as part of Berkshire Hathaway, and that is T-Mobile Incorporated. So this is the US T-Mobile, ticker symbol TMUS. And Warren Buffett has purchased this stock for an average price of $123 per share. Since then, the stock's up around 17%. Now, T-Mobile is also one of the 3 major telecoms giants in the US. So we have T-Mobile US, which has merged with Sprint. We have Verizon, and we also have AT&T. T-Mobile's the fast-growing company. Verizon's the more stable player, and AT&T is just really bad. So if we hop in right here, hopping in the share price from July 2020, T-Mobile stock has been on a rampage, up 37%. Bear in mind, this is a beast of a company, $181 billion. If we hopping in right here again, 16% compound annual growth. So they're bringing around $77 billion in revenue, $3 billion in profits each and every year. Sales growth over the past period, guys, wait for this. So we don't think Warren Buffett invests in growth stocks. Sales growth, 77%. Now, generally I say growth stock is one growing at 20% per year. 77% exceptional growth this company's having right now. And as you can see, all the numbers are looking north. Problem is the valuation is really high also, so P ratio 53. And finally, stock number 3, which Warren Buffett has been buying as part of Berkshire Hathaway, and that is Abbvie, ticker symbol ABBV. And this stock was purchased for an average price of $96 per share. And since then, the stock is up 19%. Now, I do have this stock in my portfolio also. I did cover it on the channel, and my personal position is up around 60%. So I must have purchased it at really like at the March lows because it's up around, 50 to 60%. So Abbvie, market cap again, $200 billion, dividend yield 4.53%, so fantastic dividend yield. This is probably my favorite company on this list. So of course, Abbvie is a biotech company, biopharmaceutical company. Hopping into the numbers are just really special for Abbvie. So around $50 billion in revenue, $5 billion in profits, companies bringing in. Sales growth 50%, so high growth. Sales growth over the past 3 years, 17%, so high growth company. Return on capital strong, 10%. Price to sales 4. P ratio just 8, and price to earnings growth ratio, anything less than 1 is great, 0.2. So this is a fantastic high growth company in a growing industry, the biopharmaceutical industry, and it's also at great valuation. So this is my number 1 stock pick out of these 3. The only negative with Abbvie is because the pharmaceutical industry, the biotech industry, it's extremely complicated. And I believe for most people, it's outside their circle of competence to actually truly understand the value of some of these biopharmaceutical companies. So that's my only negative with this stock. But if you do want some exposure in your portfolio, that is a great stock to have in your portfolio to the biopharmaceutical industry. So just a short video today, guys. If you did find value, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously the channel. And do you want to become financially free and step up your investing game? If so, remember to check out that first link in the description below to find out more about our Ultimate Investing Strategy course. It's not expensive, guys. It's extremely cost effective. And the amount of value you get, I believe, is absolutely incredible. And so do all the members in the course right now. You also get access to our thriving VIP membership community where you can access exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling in real time. I also track all the billionaires all over the world in real time, and then you also get access to my entire 6-figure portfolio. So all that and more, first link description below. With that being said, I hope you guys all have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.